Hey everyone, my EPQ has been handed back to me. This is like my final draft sort of thingy thing. Like, it's not much of a big of a deal because it's not my actual EPQ, but it has 55% plagiarism. That is not a good thing because I really need to start referencing my work now, adding my quotation marks and actually sort of summarizing my sort of stuff, putting stuff into my own words, creating a thesis, and a conclusion and all of that rubbish. But this video is me trying to get done my EPQ because I don't have long. I need to hand it in a month, which is scary because it's not going that great and I don't really like it. But you know what? I have to do it, so let's get into it. Okay, so I'm just going to have a look at it. We basically do it on this thing called Turnitin. It's like this, I don't know, a lot of universities use it. And our teachers sort of write their comments, things like that, and just look at the similarity review. It is 55% similarity. That is not good. So let me just give you a bit of background about my EPQ. It's not actually an EPQ, it's this thing that my school has done, but it's basically exactly the same thing. We have to write around 5,000 words or more, and we can't go over the word limit. It can either be in the form of like creative, you build something, you do something, you perform something, or it's in it's a thesis sort of thing, dissertation sort of thing. So I decided to do mine on euthanasia. Should everybody have the right to choose to die? And my argument is sort of yes, they should, due to various reasons. Autonomy over one's body, the right to life, whether the right to life actually includes the right to not live. And I sort of wanted to explore that by including various cases, various trials, and also various laws. And the thing is with this, a lot of it is the similarity report is 55%, but that's sort of a clickbait. No, it's not. It's like more or less maybe 30 to 20%, which is still very high because I'm quoting and I'm like copy and pasting like legislation. So yeah, I don't know how it's going to work, but I really need to get my own words in here somehow. So I've done around 4,323 words. This includes references. It was like 5,000 the other day, but I just got rid of a lot of stuff, and I have 40 mistakes according to Grammarly. So I probably need to fix them. Actually, they're just in my references, so let's just dismiss all of them. Oh. I believe that the only way we can combat this moral dilemma is to permit, rephrase, accept, taking, accept. Grammarly is it's literally a lifesaver for me right now because my punctuation is not that great. My plan now is just to sort of brainstorm ideas on this paper if I have a pen. I don't really know if I even have a pen at this point because I've basically broken all of mine or just... Oh wait, I do have a pen down here. So I'm going to just try brainstorming ideas for my conclusion and how I'm going to approach it. I still need to write 700 words, so 700 words for a conclusion is quite a lot. So I might have to add a bit more bulk to the essay, but hopefully it goes all right. So basically I've just written a couple of ideas on my papers just so I can sort of guide myself for my conclusion, a couple of case conclusions. Hopefully it goes fine. I'm literally going to try do a couple more 100 words if it works out. So I'm trying to increase my word count now. I don't know how I'm going to do it, but I'm just going to try waffling a bit. The thing is with an EPQ, I don't think you can waffle. It's annoying and I'm good at waffling, but I don't know if it will really help me. It's such a draining project. Do I recommend it? Maybe, sort of, yeah. Word check, nearly there. I just want to talk about how literally draining this project has been. I don't know how some schools do it, but an EPQ, in my old school, it would have lasted 2 years. So we would have started it in year 12 and finished it in year 13. But in my current school, we do it in 1 year. I know a lot of my friends are doing it in 1 year as well from other schools. But I don't know, it's just like, I feel like I've chosen a topic that I'm like semi-interested in / not interested in, but I am interested in it, but I feel like I would be more interested in something else. So One tip for you is to choose a project that you actually enjoy. There's no point doing something you won't enjoy. Choose something you do enjoy because you actually enjoy it, because at the moment this topic is so nitty-gritty. Yeah. Can we also just look at the Starbucks cup? It's been here for 4 days and I really need to put it in the sink, but I haven't. And also these fake AirPods that I got from TikTok, not really worth it, so don't get them. They're not that great. And then my pretty much dead plant. I'm not really sure how long my conclusion has to be, but I'm like at 4,700 words now for my whole project, including the references, but I think I've done the conclusion to a sort of drafty level, so now it's time to go over cases and sort of conclude and tie them all up. I give up, I cannot do this. It is literally it's taking ages and my brain can't think. It's literally a Friday when I'm doing this. I don't even know. I just want to go to bed and just not do this EPQ anymore. Now, it is literally a week later now and I'm in a change of scenery. I'm in a hotel room currently in Brighton because I've been invited here by, I can't really say anything, but I need to get this EPQ done ASAP. The deadline's literally fast approaching and I'm literally so dumb. I am so stupid and I've realised that the word count is 4,500 words and I'm on like 5,300 now and I'm like, this is not good because I need to cut down and I don't know how. You know, I think I might be safe. I'm at 5,553, but there's like a whole list of references which also counts, so maybe that is okay, maybe it does it, but I'm just not really sure about my conclusion. It's a bit weird. I still need to fix a bit of it. I have just finally finished it. It took me quite a while, but now the moment of truth, the plagiarism checker. I don't know. Hopefully it's all right. Let's pray. Okay, it is scanning for plagiarism. Please be okay. Wait, what the it says 100% plagiarism, but that cannot be right because that is definitely not 100% plagiarism. Oh, wait, hold up. 1%? Okay, I think it's 4% in total. Yeah, I've got 4% plagiarism in total. I think I will get away with that, hopefully. I'm just going to try quoting it a bit more. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. It would mean a lot if you guys could subscribe if you have enjoyed this. If you are doing an EPQ, good luck. I'm going to probably release my EPQ like later once I've done it, once I've got it graded and everything, so you can have a look at what I've done. But it would mean a lot if you guys could subscribe to my channel and keep it up. You're doing great. See you in my next upload.